Topstep now has two funding models, the standard path and the no activation fee path. To decide which one is right for you, we need to compare the costs and see what fits your trading style. But before we look at the numbers, if you are new to the channel, welcome to Active Funding. We help traders go from challenge failures to payout takers. On this channel, we review and compare different prop firms and provide the latest updates. So if you want to increase your pass rate in prop firm challenges and request your next payout, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's look at the details. Let's start with the standard part. They claim this path is suitable for traders who are learning and working on the strategy. The monthly cost is low, only $49 for the 50K account and $99 for the 100K account. And lastly, $149 for the 150K account. This low monthly fee is great because it keeps the pressure low while you practice. However, there is a fee at the end. You must pay the $129 activation fee to get your funding account. This fee was recently reduced from $149 to $129. So you pay a lower monthly fee and you pay a one-time fee when you pass. Simple as that. Now let's look at the no activation fee path. They said this is for experienced traders who are confident that they can pass quickly. The monthly price is higher, $89 for the 50K account, $139 for the 100K account, and $189 for the 150K account. But here's the advantage. The activation fee is zero. You pay the monthly fee, you pass, and you get funded immediately. You do not have to pay anything else. So here's our recommendation based on your level. If you are professional traders and you are confident you can pass in the first month, the no activation fee path is the best choice. You save money because you pay only once. There are no extra fees at the end. But if you are a developing trader who are testing a new strategy, the standard path is a smarter choice. So if it takes you a few months to pass, the total cost will be lower for you. Plus, if you fail, you can try again at a much more affordable price. Now we want to hear from you. Have any of you tried this new no activation fee account yet? Please share your experience in the comments below. It will help traders in our community decide which path is right for them. Thank you for watching to the end. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. And now, I'll see you in the next video.
You can also watch our detailed review video on Topstep. Click here.